Hello student, my name is Avogadro. My WhatsApp number is Avogadro and my WhatsApp number is 030031999731. Today we will understand mole. So what is mole? Mole is actually a quantity. We say that atomic mass molecular mass atomic mass formula mass when expressed in grams, said mole. So in this way we also say that gram atomic mass is mole or 1 mole. Gram molecular mass, gram ionic mass is equal to mole. Now suppose we write here hydrogen is an atom, atomic mass is AMU. Now this is not a mole. When we write here 1 gram, it will be equal to 1 mole. So we write here molecule H2, then we write here 2 gram will be equal to 1 mole. If we write here sodium 23 gram, it will be equal to 1 mole. If I write here carbon dioxide, mass is 44 gram, it will be equal to 1 mole. If I write here oxygen, mass is 32, when I write it gram, it will be equal to 1 mole. So in the very same way, when write here H2SO4, it is 98 gram equal to 1 mole. In the very same way, if I write here glucose C6H12O6, its mass is 180, when it is expressed in grams, will be equal to 1 mole. If I write here iron, its mass is 23 gram, is equal to 1 mole. So when I say oxygen is 32 gram equal to 1 mole, if I increase the quantity, so I write here 40 gram of oxygen equal to how many moles? Or when I say the double quantity 64 gram, I simply write here 2 moles. So how to calculate gram from moles or moles from gram? Simply question is 40 gram of oxygen is equal to how many moles? Now, one way is the number of moles equal to given mass divided by molar mass. So given mass is 40 and molar mass is 32. So the answer will be 1 point something, that is 40 divided by 32 is 1.25 moles. In the very same way, if I write here 60 gram of glucose is equal to how many moles? So number of moles is equal to given mass, which is 60, upon molecular mass, which is 180, is equal to 60 upon 180 is 0.33 moles. In the very same way, one can ask the question in this way: 98 gram of O2 is equal to how many moles? Now we change the pattern. What we say that write down the known statement. Known statement is 32 gram of oxygen are equal to 1 mole. Now, how you will write the statement to solve the problem? आप क्या करेंगे to solve the problem? आप जो given क्वांटिटी है उसको आप लेफ्ट साइड पे रखेंगे और जो अननोन क्वांटिटी है वो आप राइट पे रखेंगे, यानी नॉन साइड होगी ये एंड अननोन मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ये साइड. So what we do here for the statement, the right way, as we can solve the problem easily, we will write the known substance to this side or the known quantity to this side as the given quantity. Now the mass is the given quantity and mole is the unknown quantity. So the statement will be written as this one. If we write here 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 gram. Yes, both of the statements are same, but we will find the answer exactly and easily in this way if we write the known value here and unknown value there. So known value is 32 gram of oxygen are equal to 1 mole. First of all, find out the answer of 1 gram and write down this quantity and this quantity in the denominator, this quantity in numerator. What we have to find out? 98 gram. The quantity which we have to find out will be multiplied in this way. We find the answer 98 divided by 32 is 3.063 moles. So this is the way to solve the problem. Now suppose we have question given in this way, 3.22 moles of carbon dioxide will be equal to how many grams? Now known statement, moles will be this side and grams will be this side in the known statement. So known statement is 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram. We have an answer of 1. Then we have to find out 3.2 moles will be multiplied. 3.2. So answer will be 44 into 3.2 is 140.8. This is gram of carbon dioxide. In the very same way, we have a relationship of 1 mole with a number of atoms or molecules or ions. This is called Avogadro number. This is called Avogadro's number. What we write here is that 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. So if I write here 1 mole of hydrogen contains how many particles? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Now here we have atom, so we write here atoms. We can also now write 1 mole of hydrogen, which is equal to 1 gram, contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Means both relationship. 1 mole in grams, 1 gram. 1 mole contains this much atoms. 1 gram of hydrogen also contains this much atoms. If I write here 1 mole of oxygen, which is equal to 32 gram contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So we have two relationships here. From mole, we can find out the molecules, and also from grams, we can find out the molecules. These are the known statements. So in this way, we can write so many statements. Suppose we write here 1 mole of carbon dioxide, which is equal to 44 gram, contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Now, if I write here 1.5 moles of oxygen contains how many molecules? I will write down the statement. Given side is the moles, unknown side is the molecules. I write here known statement. 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. And we have to find out the number of molecules in 1.5 moles. We have the answer of 1 mole. Now simply we have to multiply the quantity which we have to find out, that is 1.5 moles of oxygen. So here we write 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 into 1.5. So the answer is 6.022 into 1.5, and the answer is 9.033 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So this is the way to find out the answer. In the very same way, question can be asked in this way. Find out number of molecules in 90 grams of oxygen. Find out number of molecules in 90 gram of oxygen. Now this is the given side, so gram here and molecules here. What we write here, we write the known statement, which is 32 gram of oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. First of all, we will write here the answer of 1 gram. For this quantity to the right side will be written in the numerator and quantity of left side will be written in the denominator. Now we have to find out the 90 grams. We write here 90 gram and multiply in this side, and the answer will be 6.022 into 90 divided by 32 is 16.936 into 10 raised to power 23, and we write here molecules. This value can be written in a standard way as shift this one 1.6936 into 10 raised to power. So 23 will be 24 molecules. So question can be asked in this way. Find out mass of one atom of hydrogen. We have to find out mass of one atom of hydrogen. Now what is one atom is given? Means we write here the atom's site, and here we write here the mass. First of all, known statement is that 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of hydrogen are equal to 1 gram. Take the answer of one atom. We write here this value on the numerator and this value in the denominator. So the answer of one atom will be 1 upon 6.022 is 0.166 is upon 10 raised to power 23 can be written as 0.166 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. If we write here 1.66 into 10 raised to power, then this will be minus 22 grams. So this is the answer. Oh, sorry, minus 24.